Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Discord Are You Human error with some easy method. Let's get started. First, close Discord completely. Right-click the Discord icon in the taskbar and click Quit. Now open Discord again and check if the error is fixed. If the error is still there, clear the cache. Press Windows, key+R, type sapdata% and press Enter. Find the Discord folder, delete it completely, and then open Discord again. Another good fix is to use a VPN. Turn on any free or paid VPN and try logging in to Discord. This method works for most people. You can also try switching your internet connection. Disconnect and reconnect your Wi-Fi or try a different network. If nothing works, uninstall Discord completely and install it again. Download the latest version from the official Discord website. You can also try opening Discord in a private or incognito browser window. These easy steps usually fix the Discord Are You Human error fast on PC. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.